everyone. I will introduce my mom. Her name is Sutini and she is 55 years old. She works as a headmaster in elementary school. She lives in Banten, Indonesia. My mom loves walking and traveling when holidays. She is Indonesian and belongs to the Sundanese ethnic. She is humble, very kind, helpful, and caring person. My mom is the best, and she loves me so much. She gives me a sweet home to live in when I feel sad or hurt. She gives me big hug to make me feel better. I am so lucky to have her, and I am so proud to be his daughter. Thank you for listening. Bye.